Hello everyone and welcome back to this week's video. In this week's video, we are continuing with the kitchen makeover slash renovation. In today's video, we are finishing up the floor and we are installing the cabinet doors and drawers on the coffee bar, and we are going to start bringing up those cabinets that we have been painting downstairs. Now I'm going to be first to admit that this room has taken several turns in my design mind. I originally bought this sofa to go with a restoration hardware table, and you'll soon see that table has been returned. And I am going to be taking this sofa to a different aspect or a different thought process. And you'll see coming up. Here's my supervisor, as always. Hello, Oliver. The easiest way I have found to reinstall the doors is with the hinges. There is like a round groove out of the face frame. That's part of the hinge. So I just pop it in to that round hole that was, pre-drilled, and it does stick to it. So it allows me to use both my hands. Also, I find that it's easier to prop it up on your leg to kind of keep it somewhat level as you screw in back into in place. As I'm installing or reinstalling the doors, Joe is busy working on the flooring, and I am so in love with the floor. It's not even funny. This floor, I know it's not in vogue, if you want to say that. It's not that lighter wood or that mid-tone wood. It is very rustic, and truth be told, I usually don't go in that direction, but I just love the dark floor with the white cabinet and then the live edge countertop. I am just so in love in this space, and I am so excited the direction that it's going. And I know what you're all saying. This used to be a black coffee bar, and you are right. I loved the black paint on this coffee bar. I just felt like it was going to be too dark on this side, and then on the kitchen part it was going to be too light. But don't you worry, the kitchen island is going to be in the wrought iron. So I am bringing those black elements in. I'm just kind of bringing them in a little bit smaller doses. And this back wall here will be something. I have yet to figure out what I want to do on the back wall. I'm kind of going back and forth whether I want beadboard or wallpaper or a paint technique. So comment down below. Let me know what you would do on this back wall, because it needs something for sure, along with shelves. I'm still planning on putting those shelves in between those two cabinets, wall cabinets. So the paint on the cabinets is called Pure White by Sherwin-Williams, and it is in the Valspar cabinet and furniture paint, and it is really a good paint. I did top coat these just because I know that there's going to be a lot of wiping up of spills. All right, dear, I have a question. Question.
Okay, Wally.
Which one do you like better?
I think I got that.
Like these?
Yeah, I like those No.
I have longer ones for here. And then down here.
Well, I don't mind that so much. Actually, I don't like that.
You like the bars better?
On this, that's not so bad. I don't like that, I don't think.
No, I have a longer one.
I think I like the bars better,
You like
but
bars
I don't
for
mind.
everything?
I don't mind this right here. And these two with a bar here.
Yeah, these are just slightly longer. And then here.
Yeah, I like those actually.
Like the
That's what
bars.
I like. They look fancier than this.
I've already purchased them. They're done, been purchased.
I like the bars better. I don't mind these here,
Here, will
although
you?
I like the bars better. But if you want to try and save the bars for the others.
Oh, we still have the whole kitchen. Okay, let me. Does it look silly with this silver here?
Silly? Not silly. I'm not going to do anything. What can you do about it? I like the bars.
So all bars?
That's what I like.
The all bar?
I like all bars.
Well, over there, I'm gonna do a different latch, I think. Maybe. I don't know. So bar.
That's my vote.
So as it turns out, I do not have enough bars to go just all bars. So I know Joe wants all bars, but we probably will just have to do just those little button pulls, just to kind of stretch out the budget, so to speak. Definitely let me know what your thoughts are. And the flooring is finished. I think it looks amazing. I know that this dark color may not be your jam, but let me know. Let me know your thoughts. I think that it just kind of, I don't know, gives a little bit more character and depth to the space. That's enough for today. Now, tomorrow, let's bring those cabinets up and see them actually in the space. Slowly but surely, we are getting this kitchen completed and it is starting to take shape. It is so joyful and humbling at the same time of going through this process. And I hope you guys are enjoying going through this process with me and watching along in this journey. If this is something that you like, is this your jam, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, tells YouTube algorithm to bring it out to more places. It does help the channel grow. But I am just loving the direction this kitchen is going. And this kitchen makeover renovation started out as just a renovation, so maybe in the future, if Joe and I sell the house, you know, the kitchen is completely renovated and made over because it wouldn't have sold in its previous state. It wasn't by any means my dream kitchen, but it's so turning out that way. It is bringing me so much joy I can't even explain.
Not here?
Yeah. I might be able to put that 9-inch like I've been wanting to. Even though I had this kitchen all laid out, and I have like a schematic, it is so great to see all these pieces in place because you really truly don't know how it's going to look until you see it in the space. And I am so pleased that my design is working out. So next week, we're going to take a slight little break and thrift, but then we're back into this renovation. See you then.